the bridge that may disconnect twin sisters. In what may appear as a movie title, contrary to the definition of bridge, an upcoming bridge connecting India's northernmost tip Kashmir Walke to the Indian capital may though appear to bridge the gap which existed for hundreds of years, but may actually tear itself away from its sister Jammu, which was always considered to be the gateway to Kashmir. The Union of India, in a most significant announcement, revealed plans to establish a direct train link between Kashmir Valley and New Delhi. This new rail connection aims to reduce the region's dependence on Jammu and enhance connectivity between the Kashmir Valley and the national capital. Background: the Kashmir Valley, nestled in the Himalayas, has historically relied on the Jammu region for connectivity to the rest of India. However, this dependence has often led to disruptions in transportation and communication services, particularly during winters when the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway is frequently closed due to snow. The new rail link. The proposed rail link will connect Udhampur in Jammu to Baramulla in Kashmir Valley, with a direct train service to New Delhi. This will not only reduce travel time, but also provide a more reliable and efficient mode of transportation. Benefits: the new train link is expected to bring numerous benefits to the region, including 1. Improved connectivity. Enhanced connectivity between Kashmir Valley and New Delhi will foster economic growth, tourism, and cultural exchange. 2. Reduced dependence on Jammu. By providing an alternative route, the new rail link will reduce the region's dependence on Jammu, minimizing disruptions in transportation and communication services. 3. Boost to tourism. The direct train link will make it easier for tourists to visit the Kashmir Valley, promoting tourism and generating revenue for local businesses. 4. Economic growth. Improved connectivity will attract investments, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth in the region. Challenges ahead. While the new train link promises to bring numerous benefits, there are challenges ahead. 1. Geographical constraints. The rugged terrain of the Himalayas poses significant engineering challenges, requiring specialized infrastructure and expertise. 2. Security concerns. The region's sensitive security environment necessitates robust security measures to ensure the safety of passengers and staff. Conclusion: the proposed train link between Kashmir Valley and New Delhi is a significant development that promises to transform the region's connectivity landscape. While challenges lie ahead, the benefits of improved connectivity, reduced dependence on Jammu, and boosted tourism and economic growth make this project a vital step towards a brighter future for the Kashmir Valley.